Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. I tested a lot of foundations in 2023 and today I'm going to share with you my top 5. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Let's get started. Number 1, Givenchy Prism Libra Skin Caring Glow Foundation. The things I like about this foundation are that it's easy to apply, it's buildable, it gives great coverage for how light it is, it has skincare ingredients, gives a radiant finish, and it lasted all day. Number 2, Estée Lauder Futurist Skin Tint Serum Foundation. This foundation went on so easy. It had a water-like texture that blended without any effort. I was also impressed with the coverage for being so light. It made my skin smooth, hydrated. I also love that it has sunscreen. Number 3, MAC Studio Radiance Serum Foundation. I was impressed. This foundation delivered hydration and my skin was so smooth. And it lasted all day. I walked the dog, ran errands, even cooked dinner, and it was still on and looked smooth and fresh. Number 4, Lancôme Teint Idole Ultra Foundation. This foundation was so easy to apply. It went on like water, airy and fresh. And yet it was full coverage. You can build it without it looking cakey. It also has a higher sunscreen. Instead of 15, it is now a 25. It was transfer free and it lasted all day. For brides or anyone, this is a must, and it has no flashback. Number 5, Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Liquid Foundation. The things I like about this foundation are that it really does have a radiant finish. My skin looked glowy just like J-Lo. It was blendable, it was hydrating, had a medium coverage, and super luminous without highlighter. These were my top 5 foundations of 2023. If you'd like to see the full videos for these foundations, I put links in the notes below. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.